To laugh at yourself is to love yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. If you can laugh at yourself, if you can recognize your mistakes, then you love yourself. I feel that to laugh at yourself is to love yourself. Life happens, things happen in life. You're going to be embarrassed, you're going to make mistakes, you're going to do things that are questionable, you're going to make the wrong decisions. You're not perfect. Everyone makes mistakes in life. But if you can look back at all those mistakes, if you can look back, point at a situation where you've done something, time that you were so embarrassed about, or you've made the wrong decision at some point in life and it didn't work out. If you can look back at those situations, absolutely laugh about them, it means that you're accepting yourself for who you are, and you're accepting all the mistakes that you've made. You have to own your mistakes. You can't really move forward in life, and you can't really gain that self-confidence and that self-worth and self-value if you can't recognize your mistakes, if you can't make light of your mistakes. What's the point of dwelling onto something that's already happened? If you've made a mistake, the truth is, if you've learned from that mistake, if you've learned the lessons from that mistake, then why are you still holding on to it? When you laugh at yourself, it means you're building your resilience. You're mentally strong because you're able to recognize things that don't go well, because in life things aren't always going to go well. At some point you're going to fail. At some point your business is not going to take off. At some point you lose a partner that you thought was going to be the love of your life. At some point you're going to be heartbroken. You can't just blame everything on yourself. You can't just look back at every single mistake and think, oh my goodness, why did I do that? Or every time you think of it, it still haunts you and it still makes you feel uncomfortable, or it still has a hold on you. You have to be able to laugh at situations where you didn't particularly do your best, or situations where you've made mistakes. When you do that, you're showing yourself that you're resilient. You're showing yourself that get up from anything. And I made mistakes, I'm human, and now we can laugh about it. There's no point of dwelling too much on the past. And there's a key difference between finding humor in every situation and laughing at the situation. There's some people that, let's say a situation will be happening and they just laugh. There's a difference between finding humor in a situation and turning a hard situation into a light situation. That can work both ways. Some people are able to think, right, this is happening to me, but things could be worse, so they make the situation light. But then there are also other important things where you can't make a joke out of them. It's about being able to find the balance. The thing that makes us all humans is that we make mistakes, but being able to accept them, being able to look back and laugh at them. We've all had, let's say, friendship groups where you've had the most silliest arguments, but at the time it seems like the world is ending, and then you look back a few years later and think, what were we even arguing about? So you have to also be able to look back, realize that you've made mistakes, and build your resilience, laugh at the old mistakes that you made and grow from them and become a better person. Laugh at yourself sometimes. Life isn't so serious. Don't take life too seriously. Some people are too uptight and everything has to be serious and everything has to be done to a T. But putting too much pressure on yourself to become this person, this perfect person, we're all not perfect. We're going to make mistakes. So what if you've been embarrassed a little bit? Life goes on. So don't be scared to put yourself in a situation where you could possibly be embarrassed. It's just being able to laugh at yourself after then. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.